Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up! And today I'd like to show you something really cool. It's Tips and Techniques Tuesday, so I'm going to show you some things you can do with some of your adhesives. Now we know we have the glue dots, we have fast fuse, we have tear and tape, we have liquid glue, we have adhesive sheets, we have Snail, we have fine tip liquid glue pen, Stampin' Dimensionals. Did I mention those? So this is just something I have done with them. This is a Stampin' Dimensional liquid glue. This is fast fuse. This is tear and tape, and these are glue dots. And let me get these in here a little clearer for you. I embossed these. Isn't that great? Look at that. You can do so much with them. And now again, we have Stampin' Dimensionals, liquid glue, we have fast fuse, we have tear and tape, and we have glue dots, and we have glitter. Look at that. Isn't that great? So you can use your adhesives for other things other than holding your cards together. For Mary's Stamping Happenings, Tips and Techniques Tuesday, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.